Welcome to OrthoGen 25. In this tutorial, we'll go over OrthoGen Create's Create by Grid feature. This simple yet powerful volume creation option will create volumes based on the grids found in your drawing. For this example drawing, we'll be creating 46 unique volumes. As always, to get started, we'll open the Volume Manager and click the Generate button. If the Grids checkbox is grayed out, this means you'll have to extract the grid data from your drawing so OrthoGen Create can use it. To do that, we simply need to exit out of the Volume Manager and click the Extract Data button for whichever data system we're using. For this drawing, we'll select Extract CADWorks Data. Now we can go back to the volume creation options and choose Grids. After clicking Generate, our 46 volumes will appear. Of course, we can adjust the Z-limits of our volumes and preview some to make sure they look right. Once we're ready to extract the volumes to their own drawings, we can select whichever volumes we want to place and click Place Views. This time, in just under 3 minutes, we've created 46 drawings with 3 views per drawing, well under 5 seconds per view. Next time, we'll look at OrthoGen Create's most versatile volume creation option, the OrthoGen Views layer. But that's all for now. See you next time.